Greetings traders, it's Monday, June 11th, 2018, and I took one trade today using the main code. I actually came in late. I was going to take them all today, but I didn't. I came in late, took one trade. As soon as I took the trade, I had to leave. So I didn't get a video going, and I just got back. I meant to just leave for a little bit and come right back. But I got caught up and I just got back. It's been quite a while since what's it been, like an hour, over an hour now that I've been gone. So anyway, I am back. It hit the exit for 40 ticks, and I'm just going to call it a day. Next Monday I'll be around to do some more trading. I plan to use Monday to kind of show off the code a little bit and show what you can do with the codes if you want to take a lot of trades to make money. So anyway, I will come back tomorrow. Actually, let me see if I might be able to get a trade here. If I can, I'll come back, and if I can't, then I'll just conclude the video. Anyway, hope everybody's doing good at the trading, especially code traders. By the way, I have just mathematically figured out the code 1, and so I know what the code 1 is here, and I am going to use it in the next entry. This code 1 it is the actual code 1, the actual mathematical code 1, and so this trade will be worth a good trade, and it depends on what it does. If it gives a short entry, we're going to be going against the daily at that point. If it gives a long entry, we're going to be going with the daily. So I'd rather have it give a long entry and go with the daily and see this thing stretch out quite a bit, and we could hit a pretty big trade on it. So we'll see what it says, but anyway, I've mathematically figured out the code 1. Now all of you, most of you on YouTube, you just see me trading the code 2 every day, which is done in the charting service. But you can learn how to do the code 1 and mathematically figure it out every day to where you narrow it down, which I have it narrowed down right now. And you can take a trade, just one trade if you want, just one trade, and make a really good trade. Now how does that sound? Sound really good, right? Sounds almost impossible, right? Well, watch. I am going to use it on this next trade. I'll be back. Okay, I've got a long position right here. Be right back. There it goes. It just broke. I'll come right back. Okay, I'm just gonna. Whoa. What did it just jump up to? 34. I'm at 42. Let's go for some more. That's 30 ticks. Let's take it up to 40 ticks. Take it up to 52. All right. Yeah, that was a big jump right there. Take it up to 52 for 40 ticks. Let's see what happens. I'll come back. Oh, by the way, stop is set to 65.98. Okay, on this trade, I'm going to back off from 40 ticks, which it's currently at, back down to 30 ticks. So I'm going to back it off by 10 ticks to 42. Okay, so now it's got a 30 tick exit on it. I'll come back. I'm going to place a break-even stop on this trade, split it up to 13. Okay, if it comes down to 13 now, I'm just going to break even on the trade. And otherwise I'm just going to let it go up to my original 30 tick exit, or I'm break even on this trade. If it breaks me even, I'm just going to call it a day. It's getting late here and I don't want to stay up too much later, so this is going to be my last trade. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it just stopped me out there, break even. So I am going to call it a day for trading here on Monday. I'll hit the main trade for 40 ticks, and that's pretty much all I was able to get today. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading, and of course I'll do the charting service for Monday, and we'll figure out the code for Tuesday. Yes, and we'll be able to do some good trading on Tuesday. So anyway, I will be back for some more trading tomorrow. Hope all of you traders are doing well. Hope you had a good day. Wasn't too difficult of a day today. In fact, everything worked. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there.